622, roger. Proceed northwestbound, cross over the airport midfield at 3,000 or above.
We'll cross over the airport midfield at 3,000 or above, 622.
Tower 998 Tango, half zero.
Number 998 Tango, roger. Up 712, if able, turn left to Foxtrot.
12 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,100 feet.
Up 712, left turn at hotel without delay, please.
712 off hotel, sorry about that.
712, contact ground went off.
On the ground.
998 Yankee Tango, you can proceed direct to the airport now, runway 4 left, clear to land.
Direct airport, 4 left, clear to land, 998 Yankee Tango.
Lane 622, after you cross over the airport, you can make a left downwind for runway 4 left and start your descent down to pattern altitude 2,200.
622, we'll turn left downwind for 4 left and we'll begin descent. Banner.
622, when you're on the downwind, extend your downwind, I'll call your turn to final, it'll be number 2.
622 will extend the downwind, number 2.
1,000 feet below.
Gears down, flaps not set yet. Current altitude 2,600, descending.
Set to 64 Delta, make a left downwind departure for traffic.
Left downwind departure, set to 464 Delta.
Cessna 64 Delta, squawk VFR.
Squawk VFR, 2464 Delta.
Skyline 622, traffic ahead and to your left for Grumman on final at 2,400. Report the Grumman in sight.
Looking for the traffic, 622.
Cessna 64 Delta, frequency change approved.
Frequency change still approved, Cessna 2464 Delta.
Skyline 622, the Grumman's a beam to your left.
622, negative contact.
I have him in flight 998 Tango.
And Chandler Towers 622, can you call my base?
Do I will, yes sir. Skyline 622, left base approved, runway 4 left, clear to land.
622, left base, clear to land. And remember to line up on the runway. Okay, we're in good shape here. Gear is down and checked. Flaps are 10. Mixture rich, gas on both.
10 o'clock, 2 miles, 900 feet above.
There's 500 down. All right, let's start down.
Lima Niner Yankee Tango, turn left when able, contact ground 124.4.
124.4, 99 Yankee Tango.
2 miles, 200 feet above.
I think I'll leave the flaps here. This is looking good.
100.
500. Gears down.
Traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 100 feet above.
Field's made, the last notch of flaps.